In this video, I'm going to take you back to one of my first, cheapest, and favorite mods to the 4RUNNER. I'll show you exactly how I prepped and achieved this look that I still have to this day, 3 years later. Stick around. HyperDip is a peelable coating similar to PlastiDip, but stronger, smoother, and it comes in different sheens. As with all paint jobs, the end result will be dependent on the proper prep. I've already made a detailed step-by-step video on how to apply this product. I will put a link to that in the description below. This video will highlight all those steps.
So I'm going to prep all 4 wheels, but I'll show you the preparation on the first wheel here. Basically a 3-step process as well. We're going to take the plastic bag, shove it in between, and then we're going to wrap and protect the rotor and the brake caliper. We're going to apply a dip release to the outside of the wheel. This way when we spray at the very end, we'll just be able to take off the overspray. And then the third step will be cleaning the actual wheel surface with the pre-dip spray. Okay, then the next step will be the pre-dip spray. It will spray it on the microfiber towel. Spray it on and then we'll clean the surface up. I have all 4 wheels prepped. Dip release is on. I did the pre-dip spray or cleaner, and I made sure that where the wheel and the rubber touch, that it's completely clean. Plastic's behind, protecting the calipers and the rotors. So the first 2 coats will be just tack coats, very light coats. You want to get the material to bind. You don't want to try to get color right now. That's it. Okay, I made it around and I'm ready to start my second coat. I actually added the little handle on it. When you're doing this, you also want to get different angles on the wheel, like spraying up, because you have all these areas that you might not hit by just going straight back and forth. Let me show you where we're at here. So wheels are done, they're still drying, and I got 13 coats on here. They say about 12 coats or so, so I'll get a little closer up so you can see the finish on it. All right, I still need to pull the plastic out and take the rubber off the sidewall of the tire. So I need to wait about an hour. So I got a little bit of time yet. And the back is all masked up, and I have a tack coat on right now, and that'll take 5 to 7 coats. I'm just trying to get down to where the HyperDip reached the first layer of tape, and then from there you need to be a little careful.